Here's another sweet Mopar for sale at Classic Auto Mall. Check out this 1969 Plymouth GTX hardtop with a numbers matching 440 Magnum V8 putting out 375 horsepower connected to a TorqueFlite 3-speed automatic transmission. Simply a great body style with those dual headlights, black stripes, vinyl roof, and power bulges in the hood. It has 14-inch Mopar Road wheels with drum brakes all around. The interior features an AM radio and faux wood grain accents. See tons of pictures and get all the details at ClassicAutomall.com. If you're considering buying or selling a classic or collectible vehicle, check out Classic Auto Mall. We advertise, sell, and ship worldwide while making the process safe, easy, and secure. For more information on the consignment process or to easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 cars in our massive showroom, visit us at ClassicAutomall.com.